The blend door actuator in a Ford F150 controls the flow of air and temperature inside the cabin. Over time, it may need resetting due to malfunction or after repairs. Ensuring it functions properly improves comfort and efficiency. Resetting the actuator involves simple steps that can be done at home. Disconnect the battery for about 10 minutes, then reconnect it to allow the system to recalibrate. This method helps avoid unnecessary trips to the mechanic and saves time and money. Regular maintenance of the HVAC system can prevent issues with the blend door actuator. Symptoms of a faulty actuator: strange noises, clicking or tapping sounds from the dashboard, inconsistent airflow. Airflow changes without adjusting the controls. Temperature issues. The air might be too hot or cold. Unresponsive controls. Temperature settings do not work properly. Locating the blend door actuator in your F150. The blend door actuator in a Ford F150 is typically located behind the dashboard, near the HVAC system or passenger side dash area, or behind the center console. Why resets are often needed. Resets can help fix minor issues with the actuator. Sometimes the system just needs a reset. Here are some reasons. Software glitches. A reset can clear small software bugs. Calibration problems. The actuator may need to relearn its positions. Temporary fixes. A reset can provide a short-term solution until repaired. Step-by-step access guide for reset. 1. Turn off the engine and remove the key. 2. Disconnect the battery to avoid any electrical issues. 3. Locate the glove box on the passenger side. 4. Open the glove box and remove all items. 5. Press the sides of the glove box to release it. 6. Let the glove box drop down fully to the floor. 7. Use the flashlight to look inside the glove box area. 8. Find the blend door actuator, usually a small, black box. 9. Use the screwdriver to remove the screws holding the actuator. 10. Gently pull out the actuator and disconnect the wiring harness.